going on YouTube? It's 24/7 Boost, and I'm back again with another video. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make your own eyelids in vinyl wrap by yourself at home. Feel me? I only just figured this out myself, so let me show you. So I've just realised this car already has a template on it, right? So what I've done, I've gone around the template with a pencil and two papers, and then I'm gonna cut it out in the vinyl wrap, and then basically vinyl wrap it on there. So that's what I go on today, man. All right. So what I'm about to do now is make a template on the vinyl wrap. So I'm gonna cut out a piece of the vinyl wrap, stick this over it and cut round it basically, and then I'm gonna vinyl wrap it. So got to use the new vinyl wrap in it because I don't want to do painful thing. So I'm gonna use some old stuff. I've got to use the new one. I could use this. So I'll get back when I'm doing that, when I've cut round it. Look. I haven't done this side yet because I'm gonna cut that bit on the car to make sure it's a perfect cut, but when it's on there it's gonna sort of look like that. So your template's cut right. Now I'm about to clean them and apply the vinyl. Right guys, just on the template which I've made myself, as you can see, and I'm just about to clean it so I don't get any bubbles in the vinyl. So about to clean it off nicely, and yeah. That's how it's going. You can see, laid the vinyl almost there. Just got to get these little bits out, which is quite easy. And yeah, man. See, it's way easier to just wrap it instead of buying the parts. And look, there's a template there, and I'm gonna do the other side in a minute. Just about to add some heat to it. This is what it's looking like. Looks real nice. Let me put it on the bonnet. This is the finishing product. So what I've noticed is you can't see the indicators underneath this, innit? So I try to adjust it by doing that. which sort of messed it up. So I don't know, man, I'm gonna have to redo it properly. So I need to do that to the other side now so you can see my indicator. Alright guys, this is the finishing product. That's what it's looking like. They used to come all the way down here, but I had to cut it because you couldn't see my indicator. But yeah, that's the finishing product. That's what it's looking like. And I hope you guys like it. You feel me? Like, comment, subscribe, and support the thing, as I always say. Bless up, man. Yeah, man, that's how it's looking. Cold.